Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold or accumulate, giving it a score of negative 0.92. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 17.48% since we first recommended purchasing Tesla 10 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.75% each day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 16.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 7.64% to 23.05%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 34.92%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 3.77% to 117.19% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $322 and $726. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Tesla as stock downgraded to hold, accumulate." The Tesla stock price fell by 2.66% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 21st of May, 2025, decreasing from $343.76 to $334.62. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.55%, with a day low at $332.24 and a day high of $347.35. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 21.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 28 million shares, and in total, 100 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $33.48 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $488.54, and the lowest price was $167.41. Currently, the price is 31.51%, or $153.92, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Today, Tesla CEO Elon Musk reaffirmed his commitment to leading the company for another 5 years during the Qatar Economic Forum, amidst a highly competitive electric vehicle market. This renewed assurance may boost investor confidence in the face of recent stock volatility. Tesla's stock has already demonstrated impressive performance, yielding a remarkable 531% increase over the past 5 years, making its potential for future growth a focal point for investors. As Tesla gears up for its robotaxi rollout in Austin next month, the implications for the company's market position are significant. Success in this venture could not only diversify its revenue streams, but also enhance its competitive edge against rivals, particularly in the fast-evolving autonomous vehicle sector. Recent discussions surrounding potential legislative changes, including a new tax bill proposed by President Trump, may also influence market dynamics. Any favorable outcomes could further invigorate investor sentiment toward high-growth companies like Tesla. However, some analysts are advising caution, suggesting that certain investors might consider cashing out. This comes amid broader market uncertainties, including concerns about Musk's leadership and fluctuating sales figures in Europe, which he dismissed as a minor setback. As the electric vehicle landscape intensifies, particularly with rising competition from Chinese manufacturers, Tesla's ability to maintain its growth trajectory will be essential for sustaining its stock value in the long term. In the short term, these developments could create volatility as market participants react to new information, making it crucial for investors to stay informed about Tesla's evolving strategy and market environment. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tesla stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $342.08. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $280.78. A rise above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, May 16, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 4.39%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 4 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator registered a buy signal 71 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 58 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $282.76 and $272.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $282.76. If this support level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $272.20 and $252.40. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $15.11 between its high and low, or 4.55%. Over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $410 million. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $342.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $282.76. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Taneja Vaibhav, who bought and sold 17,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 56.982. Overall, insiders acquired 907,500 shares and disposed of 3,248,712 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $317.71, reflecting a decline of 5.05%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which translates to a higher level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient for classifying it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning either to hold or accumulate shares, while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 22nd of May, we anticipate Tesla will open higher by $3.45, beginning at a price of $338.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.